Now, wow, this country, I don't know what I can call it that is, I don't know what I can say is strong with us. I can't predict what is really wrong with us because I don't know why Davido, we have 250 something million. How much did you people call it? And you will now take it to where you don't supposed to take the money to. See, make I tell you now something. If I want to say my own view, we have people in this country that is really suffering. As in, really, really suffering. Tí wọ́n jẹ ògbólógbòó ìyà. We have them in this country. Forget we that we are giving people every day. Àwa tá mọ̀ àwọn tó ń jìyà lélẹ́yìí. Yes, I'm part of the people that knows who is suffering seriously. Ara àwa tá mọ̀ àwọn tó ń jìyà òun lélẹ́yìí. Yes, now we know how much we dey give people in a day. We have a lot of people, even as I am now, I can't count a lot of people that me myself, I know them suffering, going through pains, going through a lot of things. Ẹlòmíì ti fẹ́ para ẹ̀. Èmi gan ti gbé ẹrù, ó ti sú mi. Because my own ministry, my own church is all about giving. It's all about giving. Holiness in Christ Outreach Foundation is all about giving. Our Sunday service like this, any money we make, the person that you will give the money is on seat. Tí òrò ń jẹjẹ. Èmi gan ti ṣe fúnyàn. Mo wò pé ọjọ́ wo ni ìṣẹ́ ìyà ló fẹ́ tán ní country. But we have a lot of people out there. They don't see what is going on. I'm the part that mo wà nínú àwọn tó lè sọ nǹkan tó ń go on ní country. Mo wà nínú àwọn tó lè sọ fún yín. I have a lot of family. If you see what they are going through, ẹlòmíì ọmọ ẹ̀ máa sick, kò ní rówó tọ́jú ẹ̀, ọmọ yẹn máa kú. Ẹlòmíì ìyàwó ẹ̀ máa sick, kò ní rówó tọ́jú ẹ̀, ó máa kú. Èèyàn mélòó ni poverty ti pa tí ò sí àwọn tó lè dìde láti assist wọn. And if we say we have a lot of poverty in this our country, it's true, but at the same time, we still have a lot of people that have this money. But I notice they are sharing this money to themselves. Kò kárí, only Koku Foundation ni mo rí pé man yẹn ṣì ń try a lot. Yes, me too, I'm trying a lot. Although people did not see it, people only see it in my area, and a lot àwọn kọ̀ọ̀kan tó tún mọ̀ mí. But kọ́lọ́n jẹ́ kémi náà lówó tó kọ̀kú, so that people will see a lot of things that I'm doing. If 10,000 bá wọ́wọ́ mi bí mo ṣe dúró yìí, you can't believe èèyàn bíi 9 people ló máa share that 10,000, because a lot of people will queue. Some people will say they have not eaten. Ṣebí ọjọ́ wo ni mo post voice note kan tí lady kan sọ fún mi pé more than 2 weeks now tó ti jẹ oúnjẹ gidi sí ẹnu ara ẹ̀. A lot of people la mọ̀ tó jẹ́ pé pọ́pọ̀ ni wọ́n ń ká jẹ lójoojúmọ́. Wọ́n á kàn máa káàkiri street to street. Wọ́n á máa wábi tí pọ́pọ̀ wà to cut the pọ́pọ̀ and eat. And you people can never see them. Àwa tá à ń rí wọn, ẹ lè ever pín owó yẹn kẹ́ ẹ sọ pé ẹ fẹ́ pín dérò ọ̀dọ̀ wa tá a mọ àwọn tí yà ń jẹ tá a lè pín owó yẹn fún. It's not fair. I don't know how we can continue this way. Tá a dẹ̀ máa sọ wípé kí Nàìjíríà kó dáa. Tá a máa sọ wípé kí nǹkan kó put to order. I don't know. There's another family. Ọkàn ṣe security. How much are they paying? Wọ́n san 20,000 ní security work tí màá yẹn ṣe. And this man has 3 children. How are they going to feed with that 20,000? Yes, nígbà tí nǹkan ti worst jù, when something is too worst for this family, and I told the wife to take little money and go and be looking for something to sell. This woman went out to go and be buying all those okrika. She will be selling it from street to street. but still the money is not enough. They can only eat in that money. You cannot pay school fees out of that money. A lot of children, as I'm talking to you, that they are not going to school, that I know, they are in my church, they are in every street that I always walk to. But there's nothing I can do because I don't have the power. I was not surprising that what about lójú àánú báyìí kò kí ń sówó. Àwọn tó yẹ pé wọ́n lójú àánú ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ wọn ló máa ń ní owó. I don't know because anyway, let God take control. People are suffering. In case you don't know, please, if you want to support this our ministry, support it, because our own ministry is all about giving. Yes, if you want to confirm, you can just come to Aton Tashokoto Road, phase 5. Just interview anybody you see on the road. They will tell you what our church is all about. Yes, even though it's 2,000 you get now, people that you will share that 2,000 for, they are on ground. Don't be surprised. Anyway, I believe God will take control. God will have mercy to his people. Good night.